How to start sharing location with a family member on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on your name on top of your screen. Here, tap on the family option and you will see the option for location sharing. Tap on that and then tap on the share location option, and with this, location sharing will be enabled with your family member. So, this is how you can start sharing location with a family member on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.